Good morning, everyone. Party is over last night. We are so busy last night because our neighbor here, we let them eat and they're having fun here last night. So now, morning, look at In and Mama here. They're doing washing. We just finished feeding the pig. We have water here collecting from the rain. After this one, we will go to the mall. Narama yung fans. Hi, Dayon.
Hi.
There's In hanging the clothes. So we have a water here from the rain. We covered that with net, so it is a little bit clean. Slimly. So every time will rain, we have a lot of water here. And basin. The container here are full. And some of the empty pops there, that's water there. Yes, we have a nice party yesterday with a good friends of ours. So to those who did not come, Merry Christmas with you guys. We have really a perfect day and very nice to mingle with some new friends, expats too. So there are some very nice good expats here. There are many good expats living here in Bohol. Yesterday we met one good expat, a friend from Dan and Marife. They are so good. And you have one beautiful daughter. Very nice. We're happy that they bring us here and met them. So our Christmas really is so meaningful, and so that's bring us a lot of memories here. Wow, it's just my landscape here. Very nice. I love it. So relaxing. We have water here from the well. The water here is overflowing. What? Water from the reservoir below. Wow, still our orange, our sun kiss. A lot of fruits. I can't wait to harvest our orange. I marked again, but there is no roots yet. It takes months and months to grow the roots. I love watching the dog lay down on the concrete. And now they won't get dirty anymore. Before they are so dirty, their skin. Wala papas ka. Saan na pa? Hala, wala gina na. Wala nakita ni Philip. Na din, ano, paniti ko no pa. Paniti ko no. Hala, purple. Nay, onon? Uy, dagko, mandi. Ay! Hala, alami anak eh.
Sa lagot.
Ay, guwang naman eh. Ay,
May turok ka kanila? Turok na niyo.
turok na na, uy. Guwang naman. Buwad lang.
Kung may panitan naman.
Nga naman, nabukbukon hinoon. Bukbukon.
Muni for coffee.
Ha?
Coffee. Guwapo. Tambal.
Corn coffee?
Kape.
Tambal ba na? Hindi mo tong tindero ingan siya nga. Tambal man ni siya, day. Pinangita man ni nga mais.
Na, lagi. Mahal kayo ng kani kape. Kani? Oo. Balik siya pa.
Sa Valencia?
Oo. Balik itong gitong ni mo. In?
Ay, sa kwan. Sa, di ba
Sa bilya mo siya.
Nandot siguro ng kape anak ko rin.
O lagi. Tambal.
Ay, di din mo ni tanong pa.
Pugas mo yung bani. Magdala ko ng gahay-gahay ba. Pugas. Ano sa dagmay pa ilani, mga yelo sa dito ang ibili, anak ko tantara.
Oh, ayaw.
Bato ko no, 1 kilo.
Wow, nice. Papa will save this one and make coffee because this is, he said this is good, healthy to make coffee corn. Oh, nice. Because this morning Philip cut some of the stem here and then Papa chopped it to give to the pig, and he did not chop this one because they still have this might be hiding on the stem because too small. Nice. So bye everyone, thanks for watching. Please share, like, comments and subscribe.